You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dog breed. Very cute. If you want to learn more confusing dog breed names that many, everybody get wrong, stay tuned. I've got many more videos. So there are different pronunciations. Gotta be clear. I'm gonna explain. It came from 1600s Flanders, so around Belgium, the Netherlands, this Dutch-speaking part of the world. So it comes from Dutch. And in Dutch is pronounced something along the line of Schipperke. Schipperke. Now, in English there are two different ways of pronouncing it. The British English pronunciation is generally as Schipperke, Schipperke. Now the Americans often say it as Schipperke, Schipperke. So those two pronunciations are correct, and that's because English speakers cannot really pronounce Dutch really well. So here you go, now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.